Before evacuating or experiencing a power outage, take a few important steps to help protect your property and ensure a safer power restoration. Consider unplugging corded items and turning off power at the main breaker or fuse box, especially if flooding is a risk. This can help prevent damage and reduce electrical hazards. Unplugging appliances also protects them from potential power surges when electricity is restored. After power is restored, wait 5 to 10 minutes before plugging in or turning on appliances and electronics to help avoid damage. Don't plug in appliances that have gotten wet until they can be checked by your electrician or appliance technician and found to be safe. Never ever touch electrical equipment, including fuses, breakers, transformers, or wiring if it's wet or damaged. Also, never handle fuses or breakers with wet hands or while standing on wet ground. For more storm safety tips and information, please visit us at tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.